Hi, I'm Gavin, TCM practitioner, and today I want to explain something that confuses a lot of people going through hair loss after stress. Here's the question I hear all the time. I was stressed months ago, but my hair only just started falling out. Why now? If that's you, I want you to know you're not crazy, you're not imagining it, and you're definitely not alone. Here's the real reason. Your hair doesn't fall out during stress. It falls out after. Why? Because of the way the hair cycle works. Let me break it down for you. Your hair grows in phases. Anagen is the active phase where your hair grows. Catagen is the transition phase where your hair stops growing and the follicles shrink. Telogen is the resting phase where the hair stays dormant in the follicle. And exogen is when the old hair falls out. When your body goes through something intense like illness, surgery, emotional trauma, it doesn't immediately drop your hair. Instead, it sends more hair to the telogen phase, aka the resting phase. But here's the kicker. That phase lasts 2 to 3 months, which means you go through the stress, your body reacts quietly, and about 8 to 12 weeks later, the shedding starts. So if you're staring at your brush or the shower drain thinking, why is this happening now? Things are better. This is exactly why. The stress may have passed, but your follicles are still catching up. Here's the good news. If you know what triggered it and you support your recovery systems, your hair can grow back. You just need to support your body's healing from the inside out. Number 1, calm your nervous system. Number 2, improve digestion and nutrient absorption. Number 3, restore circulation. And number 4, rebuild your energy reserves. That's exactly what I walk you through in my root cause recovery guide, step by step. Grab the guide in the link below. And if this helped you connect some dots, let me know in the comments. You're not behind, your body's just asking for a reset. And it knows how to regrow when it feels supported in the right ways. Thanks for watching, I'll see you in the next video.